Hi guys, this is James, Job and Track Shop. Here today to talk to you about fuel treatment. We're getting to about that time of year. We have to worry about fuel gelling, so you need to prepare for all that. This is your basic fuel treatment, Howells, which is usually what we'll find. Uh, any brand will probably work, but this is one of your most common brands. This is a gelling preventative. What you do is you put this in your fuel tanks before you need it. Essentially, you want to do it before your fuel gels. Plan your trip ahead of time. See what the forecasts are going to be. If it's 20 degrees here, but you're heading to a place that's going to be 5 degrees, you're probably going to want to put the fuel treatment in here. That way, it has a chance to work through the fuel tanks and get ready to go. You can purchase one bottle of this treatment on your fuel card every 24 hours. If you happen to need anything more than that, you're going to need to contact your fleet manager, and your fleet manager will have to authorize any purchases from that point forward. When you're purchasing this, there may be quite a few options. If you see one that looks similar to this one, this is a fuel treatment for when your fuel has already gelled. You're not going to be buying this. This is if you need this, you need to contact road service. All you need to do with this is whenever you're going to put it in, stick it in your fuel tanks. A bottle this size will treat 2 tanks of fuel. Read the instructions just to be sure. We generally like to treat the fuel when you hit about 15 degrees and anything lower than that. So you kind of really need to pay attention to what it's going to be like where you're going so you can prepare for that ahead of time. Put the fuel treatment in before you actually need it. And that's it. That's all there is to it.